we see a lot of people making this investment are people that like to soak in tubs because you don't want to, you want to be
Yes.
able to get clean first, whether you're, athlete or you're working outside or, whatever the case may be, a grease monkey and you're getting rid of all the grease. You don't want to soak in the tub, whether it's for muscles or that's just something you enjoy. You don't want to soak in the dirty water. So they'll take a shower, get clean, then fill up a hot tub and then soak.
Yes, and filling up a big garden soaking tub is one of my pleasures in life. And unfortunately, it takes a long time to get hot water to mine. And that's when I wish I had a tankless hot water heater. And so, those people who have that or have a 2-story house or a big property, a tankless water heater is definitely the way to go when you're wanting to fill up a large area with hot water. So, if you have athletes, if your students are athletes or you've got a hardworking manual labor job and you enjoy those baths, then a tankless water heater might be right for you to help you fill up that tub quicker and not take as long or have to buy a separate heater or heat tub. So those are something else that people invest in, the tubs that have the heating in it, or you invest in a jacuzzi and you go soak in that, take your shower after.